Welcome to this training session on coefficient of expansion. Identify the type of simple machines or mechanical advantage present in various aircraft parts. This is a pulley. Here are some bell cranks that are based on levers, one of which isn't in very good shape. Another bell crank with multiple levers. Flap drive jack screw which is in circular inclined plane. An angle drive gearbox. This combines a lever and a pulley. There are many other examples of the use of simple machines in aircraft design. This concludes this training session. We hope you found it useful.